Alright guys, today we're going to learn how to do some perimeter with some different types of shapes. We're going to go ahead and get started really quick by looking at number one. Number one, the first thing I want to notice about this shape is that it appears that all of the sides are equal on this shape. And I kind of know this because they don't give me one side length. So what they do give me is the perimeter down here though. So if I'm looking at the perimeter and it's 45 units and there are 5 sides to this shape and every side has to be the same, then I'm going to say I have 45 total perimeter all the way around this entire shape, and I have 5 sides. So what would be 45? It's 45 divided by 5 sides. You're right. So that would mean one of these has to equal 9. Good job. So the key to solving these types of problems is realizing that all the sides are the same, and we call this a regular. In this case, it's a pentagon because it's 5 sides. It's a regular pentagon. The word regular means that all these sides are the same. Okay, let's move to number 2 really quick. This one is different. All the sides here are different. Now we have 3 sides and we're missing 1 side. So this is kind of easy to solve because we have our perimeter. We know it's 38, but we have 3 sides, and so we need to find out how much of the sides we already have. So let's do some quick math here. Let's do 15 plus 5, which equals, and then we're going to add that other side in there of 7. So 15 plus 5 equals 20, and then plus that 7 more. I'm going to put an arrow here to show you guys that I added those two. So 15 plus 5 equals 20, plus 7 more. So right now, if I look at these 3 sides right here, I have 27 of my perimeter. So how much more does it take to get us up to 38? Well, 38 is my total. So I'm going to subtract out the 27 that I already have in these 3 sides. And let's do this math. 8 minus 7 is 1, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this side up here has to be 11 to be able to make this a total of 38 units. All right, let's move on to number 3 really quick. So this is actually a kite, if you remember from quadrilaterals. So these 2 sides are the same right here. We see that, which also gives us an indication that these 2 sides up here also must be the same. Okay, now this is a 3. So because this is a 3, this over here must equal 3 as well. But let's not stop there. Let's actually check and make sure it gives us this perimeter. So let's do an equation here. 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3. Let me fix that 9. So what's 9 plus 9? Well, that's 18. And what's 3 plus 3? Well, that's 6. So what's 18 plus 6? It gives us those 24 units. So we know that this has to be equal to 3. Okay? All right, guys. So you guys are going to actually try to solve questions number 4, 5, 6, and 7.